Did you know that baking soda can help reduce inflammation and even relieve heartburn? It's not just for baking. You probably have a box of baking soda sitting in your pantry, but do you know about its amazing health benefits? Baking soda is one of those household staples that's often overlooked, but it's been used for years in various ways to promote health and wellness. From cooking to cleaning, baking soda is a versatile ingredient that can do it all. But today we're going to focus on its incredible health benefits. We've all experienced those pesky health issues that can ruin our day: indigestion, inflammation, skin irritations, and more. These problems can be caused by a variety of factors, including our diet, lifestyle, and environment. For instance, indigestion can be triggered by eating spicy or fatty foods, while inflammation can be caused by a lack of sleep or exercise. Skin irritations, on the other hand, can be a result of using harsh products or having sensitive skin. Whatever the cause, these issues can be really frustrating and affect our overall well-being. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. Baking soda can help alleviate some of these common health issues. For example, it's a natural antacid that can help neutralize stomach acid and relieve heartburn and indigestion. Simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water to create a natural antacid that can help soothe your stomach. Additionally, baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. It can even help with skin irritations such as sunburns or bug bites by reducing itchiness and inflammation. The benefits of baking soda don't stop there. It's also a great natural remedy for oral health. You can use baking soda as a natural toothpaste to help remove plaque, whiten teeth, and freshen breath. Just mix baking soda with water to create a paste and brush your teeth as usual. Some people even use baking soda to help soften skin and reduce acne. By mixing baking soda with water, you can create a natural exfoliating scrub that can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. One of the most surprising benefits of baking soda is its ability to help detoxify the body. Some alternative medicine practitioners use baking soda to help remove toxins from the body and promote alkalinity. By drinking a mixture of baking soda and water, you can help neutralize acidity in the body and promote a healthy pH balance. This can be especially helpful for people who suffer from conditions like acid reflux or kidney stones. Incorporating baking soda into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your overall health. From digestion to oral health and even skin care, baking soda is a natural remedy that can help alleviate a range of health issues. So next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to pick up a box of baking soda and start experiencing its amazing health benefits for yourself. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary, and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you've had any positive experiences with baking soda, share them with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your favorite ways to use baking soda for health and wellness. And if you're interested in learning more about natural health remedies, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.